Hey traders, hope you all doing well and hope you all having an awesome day. Sorry if I sound a bit low, I have a bad sore throat, so that's why I can't speak louder than this. Just want to give you a quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So before that, let me show you what I've said in my last video. We are soon getting a MACD cross, and also right here if you see at the volume, we also get a green volume right here and a MACD cross as well. So I'm looking at all the confluences, the cross and a new volume, which is a bullish indication. Soon we might get a 20 EMA cross. In that case, we have a very likely chance the price will push up from here. What to expect next from here? We had a good bullish momentum at this point. Now I'm expecting further push up out of nat gas. I won't be surprised if we get few more green candles and then we get a bullish engulfer, and price will keep on pushing up until the price hit the next level of major resistance. It is also a weekly resistance, and yes, you guessed it right, it is a valid head and shoulder pattern as well. If you look at left shoulder, head of this pattern, right shoulder, and let me mark the termination zones very quickly for you. Perfect. So if you follow me from last couple of months or a year, or if you followed me just in last week, we had lots of confluences, which was a bullish 20 EMA cross, which was a MACD cross as well. So at this point, the price just hit the level of major resistance. So if you're wondering if it's a valid pullback entry, it's not a valid entry. As you can see, the candle is not a valid engulfing candle. It opened above the previous candle. For the candle to be a valid engulfer, it must fully engulfs the previous candle from the bottom till the top of the body. So that is how you identify it must fully engulf previous red candle to call it a valid bullish engulf. So at this point, as you can see, the price is also overbought in the RSI, and with that it also hit the level of major resistance. Now hitting the level of major resistance doesn't mean the price will quickly fall. What I want to see a good reason to enter. It can still push up in this area of value within this zone, which is 2.478 goes up to 2.523. Member should already have received these zones and have these zones on the charts. So price can still push up in this zone and form a bearish condition, which is bearish engulfers, or form a double top entry pattern. So that is what I need to look at. I need to see a signal of sell. Only then we are going to enter our sell trade. For now, price is in a selling area, and we're going to look for entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame, both if we have push down and formation of double top. In that case, I will go 1 ATR for my target. On 4 hour time frame, I still want to see a condition like bearish engulfers or double top. So be patient, wait with patience. If we have an entry, we will then enter sell trade. If no entry, we will still wait and see how price action gives us a signal. If there is a signal, we will enter our trade. Now I want to show you here on Ovanda data as well. Price still didn't hit the zone above, so we have a chance that price will hit this zone here on Ovanda, and right here on currency.com it can push up to the upper level of resistance. So in both cases, I will enter my sell trade. If we get a sell condition right at the hit on currency.com, I will still go short. So I'm still looking for the conditions wherever I get to enter my sell trade. So that is what I'm looking at for nat gas. Let's check gold. So gold is now pushing up and at the 50 EMA. This is a very important area. We need to see if the price is going to fall or if the price is going to push up and continue to push up in a trend. Now, if you have a break and close above 20 EMA, you have a very likely chance that price will push up in a trend. All I want to see, 2 candles closed above 50 EMA followed by a pullback and then a possible push. Otherwise, if this candle closed above 50 EMA and then very next candle closed as a bearish engulfer, in that case we have a possible push down and a formation of double bottom. Price will then push up from here. So that is what I'm looking at. Buy condition above 50 EMA or buy condition with the rejection right here. If no condition here, dramatic fall, then the price will turn bearish. Let's check silver. Now for silver is also in between the level of zones. Now here on this chart on currency.com data, if we have a rejection and bullish engulfer, in that case we have a chance that price will push up, hit 20 EMA or 1 ATR for your target. So that is what I'm looking at for silver. Market rejection zones, something exactly like this. And if no condition, price just pushes up from here, forms a bearish engulfer, I will still go short. So sell with few green candles followed by bearish engulfer, buy with a hit of this zone followed by a bullish engulfer. So keep an eye here. If you get confused, rewatch it or DM me on Instagram. Let's check crude oil. Right, crude oil has a major level of support right below the price. Let me give you that quickly. It's 66.22 goes up to 68.44. If we have a fall, this is a zone from where we will enter buy trade. Otherwise, price is about to hit 50 EMA, a likely chance of green candle followed by a red candle. If that happens, we will have a continuation towards the downside, and then we will have 1, 2, 3 bearish move. So that is what I'm looking at. Green candle and then a red candle. Only buying if the price hit this zone or if the price completely breaks and close above 50 EMA with 2 green candles. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. We hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.